Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Nest Cam streaming on Google Home, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Nest Cam streaming on Google Home, first, ensure that your Google Nest Cam is properly set up. Make sure your camera is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already signed in, enter your Google account credentials to access the app. Once you are in the app, locate the Devices button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the Devices icon to view all the devices linked to your Google Home. Find your Google Nest Cam in the list of available devices. Tap on the Cameras icon to access its settings. In the camera settings, look for the option labeled Streaming or Live View. Enable the streaming option by toggling the switch to the on position. Return to the main Google Home screen. To test the streaming feature, say "Hey Google, show me the camera name" to your Google Assistant. Your Google Nest Cam feed should now display on any compatible device linked to Google Home, such as a Nest Hub or Chromecast-enabled TV. If you encounter issues, make sure the Google Home app and your camera's firmware are up to date. You may also want to check your Wi-Fi connection and restart the camera if necessary. With these steps completed, your Google Nest Cam streaming should be fully operational. Enjoy the convenience of monitoring your camera through Google Home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.